heliotrope, the position of the point to be sighted by means of sunlight reflected by an instrument. Horizontal distance, a distance measured along a level line. Horizontal line, straight line tangent to a level surface and always perpendicular to the plumb line. Horizontal plane, a line tangent to a level surface. Instrumental error, an error caused due to imperfection of measurement. Interpolation, the process of spacing contour lines proportionally between plotted points. Latitude, the vertical component of traverse line wherein the distance is multiplied by the cosine of the bearing angle of the line. Leveling, an operation of measuring distances either directly or indirectly in order to determine the difference elevation between of two levels surfaces. Leveling rod, a graduated wooded rod which is the conjunction with the level is used in determining an elevation. Level line, a curved line with a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center to the earth. Level surface, a curved line in a level surface where all parts with it are equidistant from the center of the earth. Local attraction, any influences which prevents the middle to deviate from the magnetic meridian. Magnetic declination, the angle between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian, a fixed of references where in it implies parallel with the magnetic of force of the earth as indicated by the direction. Map, a graphical representation of the celestial sphere of the earth's surface. Mapping, the process of depicting or plotting the measurements into a map. Meridian, a fixed line or reference which may be a line of a survey or it may be an imaginary. Natural error, an error caused by variation in the existing condition of nature of measurement was taken. Offset method, an operation usually done is the 2 points are intervisable where the distance between them cannot be determined and chaining is impossible to take place. Open traverse, a survey in which the traverse line do not form a closed figure. Pacing, a rough method of measuring distances usually by calculating the number of steps by the average of a single step. Pantograph, an instrument with 4 light-ragged rings joined together on a parallelogram form used by copying maps. Parallel of altitude, A small circle of the celestial sphere, a plane of which is parallel to that of the horizon. Parallel of declination. A small circle on the celestial sphere, the line of which is parallel to the equator. Personal error. An error due to the limitation of human to manipulate the instrument correctly. Plane surveying. A type of surveying in which the main surface of the earth is considered as a plane, or its spheroidal slope is neglected. Plane table. A drawing board mounted tripod used to cutting maps. Planimeter. A device used in finding the areas of figures cutted to scale, especially those of irregular curved boundaries. Plumb bob. A pointed metal weight suspended from a string. Plumb line. A line directed towards the center of the earth due to the gravitational force